Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Civic headliner. First, assess the damage to determine if it's a small patch or a full replacement. You'll need fabric adhesive, new headliner material, and basic tools like a screwdriver and trim removal tools. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as this will make the process much smoother and more efficient. Taking these initial steps will set you up for success. Now, let's get started by removing the old headliner. Begin by carefully detaching all surrounding trim pieces, sun visors, and dome lights. Once these are out, gently pull down the headliner board. Next, peel off the old, sagging fabric from the board. Use a stiff brush or scraper to remove any remaining foam or adhesive, ensuring the board is completely clean and smooth for the new material. With the board clean, it's time to apply the new fabric. Spray a generous, even layer of headliner adhesive onto a section of the board, working in small areas. Carefully lay the new fabric over the adhesive, smoothing it out with your hands to prevent wrinkles or bubbles. Continue this process across the entire board. Once the fabric is fully adhered, use sharp scissors to trim any excess material around the edges, leaving about 1 inch for wrapping. Finally, let's reinstall your newly covered headliner. Carefully lift the board back into place in your Honda Civic, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reattach all the trim pieces, sun visors, and dome lights that you removed earlier, making sure they are securely fastened. Allow the adhesive to cure for at least 24 hours before driving, ensuring a long-lasting and professional finish. Enjoy your refreshed interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.